We like Ford's Mustang EcoBoost. It goes pretty hard, it looks just like the real thing, except when you turn it on, it sounds more like a Mondeo than a Mustang. But there is a way you can make it sound better, and that's by putting on the new Sound Enhancer.